When you first launch Photoshop, it displays a home screen to help guide us to the files that we want to work with. Now, don't be alarmed if you're new to Photoshop and your home screen doesn't look exactly like the one you see here, because Adobe often updates and customizes the content that appears in this screen. For example, if you've already been working with Photoshop, you'll see icons for your recently opened documents in this area. Now, to open a new document from the home screen, I'll just create New File. And across the top of the new document window are several different categories as well as a recent and saved area. If I click on any of these categories, we can see all of the presets that are associated with that category. I can click to expand that. And if we scroll down, we can see additional templates. Again, don't worry if your screen doesn't look exactly like mine because Adobe does update the templates as well as the presets. It might help if you resize the screen in order to see additional content. For now, we'll use the options on the right in order to define the size of a new document. I'll go ahead and put 12 for the width and then 8 for the height. And I'm using inches, but you can choose different units of measurements right here. If I want to change the orientation, I can simply click on this icon here. I'll set the resolution to 300, and these additional options we're going to be covering later in the course. If I did think that I was going to save documents that were 12 by 8 at 300 pixels per inch often, I could click on this downward pointing icon and then choose to save the preset. In this case, I will call it 8 by 12 at 300. Once I choose to save the preset, we can see it in the saved area right here. If I ever want to delete it, I can click on the trash icon, and to open it, I can just double click on it. Once I open the new document, we can see that Photoshop has hidden the home screen. Once I close the document, the home screen will automatically reappear. All right, let's go ahead and open a document. I'll click on Open. Now, you might see a dialog asking if you want to navigate to your cloud documents or to your desktop or your computer. I've chosen the computer, but you can toggle back and forth by using this Open Cloud Documents or on your computer. I'm going to navigate to the exercise files that I've downloaded to my desktop and open the O1 Opening Files folder, and then double-click on arch.jpg to open it in Photoshop. Now, if I needed to access the home screen while a file was open, I could click on the home icon in the upper left. And if I want to close it, I'll just click on the Photoshop icon. Now, when I close the arch.jpg file, we can see our recently opened file, which we can view either by list view or by thumbnail view. There are some additional options on the left side. We can navigate to see any of our files that we've saved to the cloud, or files that are shared with us, or if we're using Lightroom, the cloud version, we can see any of the files that are in the cloud or any of our deleted files. So we'll cover these options in more detail in later chapters, but as you can see, there are several quick and easy ways to create new documents, save a new document preset, and open files in Photoshop.